definitely wouldn't have been nearly as where I was. It really helped out to get me to a point where I was happy and confident with what I put in.
Everyone seemed to really love what they were doing, not just sort of trudging through it. They have a better understanding of what they're doing and can then project it onto us so that we can then improve our own skills.
Karen's really passionate about what she does.
Pretty remarkable at how much Jordan Massengale understood the human body.
Garth definitely has a good perspective on everything.
Out of Meredith, I took away much better understanding about color theory. They're all such fantastic teachers.
I'd recommend to the people who are serious about pursuing animation as a goal or other related jobs.
Definitely recommend the animation summer camp. Everyone there was really into what they were doing.
I didn't even know what a Wacom digital drawing tablet was, which is what we used to work digitally, until I got to college. I really wish that I could have gone to art summer camp. I would really recommend that students take our program.